This is the Cook and Eat Show, and this episode is called What's in My Fridge. This is where I put together snacks and meals from stuff around my kitchen. Sometimes there's a plan. Most times I'm just making it up as I go. Let's see what happens.
Welcome to another episode of the Cook and Eat Show. As you can probably guess, today's show I'm making ramen. Ever since I discovered real ramen, like in a restaurant, like actually made there, fresh and delicious, I have been trying to figure out how to recreate it myself at home. Now, I have made ramen over and over again, and I've used different kinds of broth. Today, I'll be sharing with you one of many ways that I like to very quickly put together a nice bowl of ramen. Let's see what I use. I had on hand bok choy, wakame seaweed, dried black mushrooms, soybean paste, garlic, and sesame oil. Let's get started. I found out through a lot of trial and error that my ramen was missing sesame oil. I can't put my finger on it, but it really adds a unique flavor to the broth. Bok choy doesn't take that long to cook. I put the stock first so that the actual stock cooks enough without overcooking the leaf. That's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed putting it together. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep eating.